What is up, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So today, like you all saw in the title, we're going to be talking about AMC stock, GameStop stock, Blackberry, and WallStreetBets, and what the heck is going on right now between WallStreetBets, all of these, the angry mob, right? Like the mainstream media calls them. What's going on between them, the mainstream media, what's going on with these big institutions right now? And I just want to give my personal opinion. So if you guys find value, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe. Make sure to go down below. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want some free money, get your 4 stocks from WeBull, your $30 from M1 Finance. All of those are linked down below. So let's get into it. And if you guys have not seen the mania, the craziness these past couple of days, where have you been? Have you been under a rock? Because there's been a lot of craziness. Well, first, you guys see here AMC. This is a video I actually made, or a stock I made a video on yesterday. I'll link that down below, when AMC was only trading at $4 a share. And we're seeing, and we'll get into this in a little bit, WallStreetBets, they have an army of people that they go behind these stocks. They buy them. They don't sell them. Oops, I'm getting a call right now. They buy them. They don't sell them. And the idea here is to kind of screw the big institutional money, the managers, right? These hedge funds that have been shorting the crap out of these stocks to ultimately get them to short squeeze. And as these big institutional funds, they see, these stocks, they're slowly going up. They're like, okay, we have to cover. It pushes the stock even higher as they're buying back shares. And that's where we see massive moves to the upside. That's kind of what's going on right now. In a nutshell, right? And again, I made a video on AMC yesterday. I'll link that down below. And this is very similar to what we saw with GameStop. This went from $4 a share yesterday. It closed at about $5. We saw a massive move after hours yesterday. It went to about $7. And this morning, it got up to $14 at about 4 a.m. here on the East Coast. Went down to about $8. It squeezed all the way up to $25. And now, as I'm filming this, it's hovering and it's been consolidating and slowly pushing up to about $17. And I'm not here to tell you that the squeeze is over. We see people on WallStreetBets saying $100. We see people out there saying, I'm not selling till triple digits. It could get there. I'm not saying it's over. I'm just saying be careful. Watch out for it. This could be one that, who knows, it could squeeze a bit higher, maybe take out $20, $25. That is the type of movement that we could see with stocks like these. And just to touch on the mainstream media, it's kind of funny how they're, painting WallStreetBets as the culprit or the bad guys out there. Oh, they're manipulating the market or whatever. And the truth is, we all know the big institutional money manipulates the market. They take advantage of us, right? Us retail investors. And this is kind of funny, this is kind of like WallStreetBets, like I've said, and the retail investor getting their jab back at the institutional investor as they're, going really for these stocks here. They're going for these stocks that they're pretty much declining businesses like AMC, like GameStop. I mean, take a look here at GameStop. We all know, and trust me, guys, I'm a younger guy, mid-20s. I understand video games, GameStop, all that. I know GameStop is a dying company. Let's put it that way. If you're buying video games, you're buying them on your Xbox, your PS5, whatever you have. You're buying them right at your home for the most part. Yeah, there are people that like the hard copy of the game, but we all know a lot of people are just buying them online. GameStop's a dying company, and we know that these hedge funds, these big institutions, do you understand, guys, how much money that they made shorting the crap out of GameStop? GameStop, I mean, let me show you the stock here. Now you can't even see previous price action because it's so high up. But this stock, you know, it was going down, and they were shorting it and making a lot of money shorting it. I mean, take a look. This is a good chart here, the 20-year chart. I mean, this stock went from $65 back in 2013, and it went all the way to $2. So you're telling me that they didn't make money? They didn't, you know, maybe manipulate the price to make money? You know, that's BS. They definitely made money. And now, again, like I said, they're covering, and this had a 130% short float, or, you know, short interest percentage. And now I don't know if it's still there. It's definitely over 100 still from what I'm seeing. And they're trying to cover, but the stock keeps going higher. These WallStreetBets guys, they're not selling. They're, you know, pretty much there's no shares out there to buy, and the stock keeps getting squeezed higher and higher and higher. And it's who knows? It could keep going up. It could keep going up. I'm not here to say $1,000 is not possible. Who knows? It could be. And you guys have to be careful, though. You always have to be careful. This could dump right back on us. It could go all the way back under $80, $70, $50 for all we know in the next coming days. You must be careful. That is very important. And if you're going to trade this, which I don't advise anything here, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you were to trade this, you have to be very quick, nimble, in and out, get in, get out. Don't be too greedy because it does move quick. But yeah, be in and out, be very nimble with your trade if you were to get into something like this. And another one that I'm seeing on the community there is Blackberry. Blackberry's currently up 17% today. This is another dying company. Again, all of these are dying companies. The movie theaters, as much as I love movies, they're dying off. Not many people go as they used to, and they're declining, so they're shorting. The idea here is, guys, these hedge funds, these big managers, they're shorting dying companies, and they've already made a crap ton of money. And Blackberry is a dying company. AMC, like I said, is a dying company, and so is GameStop. And that is where these WallStreetBets guys, like I've been saying, that's where these guys come in. They go to stocks that are heavily shorted, hoping and waiting for the short squeeze, and they're pretty much causing the short squeeze with all the volume that's coming in, pushing the stock up. The managers, the hedge fund, the big money, they're like, oh crap, we have to cover now, and they cover, they buy back, it pushes the stock even higher, causing that short squeeze, and it just keeps on happening. And as long as these WallStreetBets guys keep pushing it up, keep buying, keep holding on, I could see this happening more in the short term. Long term, it's going to collapse at some point. It's going to collapse. But in the short term, we could expect more, I think. And that's just my opinion. Always do your own research, guys. But that's what we're seeing here with Blackberry, with AMC, with GameStop, and those are some thoughts. And I'm not, you know, against mainstream media, or I'm not against, you know, WallStreetBets or retail. I'm more kind of, I don't want to say an outsider, but if I were to lean, I'd probably lean more towards the WallStreetBets guys. Hey, they're the retail guys, you know, they're kind of sticking it back to the man in a sense, sticking it back to the institutional investors, who a lot of people, you know, they think they made money in a shady way, manipulation, all that stuff, and now it's happening to them, and a lot of people are happy about that. And I'll be honest, you know, I'm here chuckling about it. Let's be honest, it's kind of funny what's going on right now. Crazy times we're living in. So that's it. I kind of wanted to go over all of that, get it off my chest. I've been thinking about this for the past day or two, and you guys must, like I've said, always approach with caution, especially things like this, these massive short squeezes. Who knows when it's going to end, how long, you know, how much longer it's going to last. Nobody knows. You have to be careful. And if you're going to trade this, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but be very nimble, be very quick, in and out, get your profit, get out, and don't hold the bag. You don't want to be the person holding the bag at the end. That is very, very key. So that's it. Again, let me know your thoughts down below. Are you on the WallStreetBets side, which I'm assuming most of you are, if not all of you are, or are you, on the institutional investor side? I'm more on WallStreetBets, guys. Like I said earlier, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button, share this with a friend, and don't forget to also get yourself into the Strive Smart Discord chat where we're talking more about this stuff. That's linked down below, and it's free. You could also get 4 free stocks from WeBull. Those are valued up to $1,600, and $30 from M1 Finance. All of those are linked down below. Simply open up an account, deposit money into the account, and you get all of this free money. So I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. As always, stay safe out there. Do not get stuck holding the bag, guys. Please don't do that. And yeah, I'll catch you all in the next video.